Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create Gmail account. Now for us to consider this one, we are going to head over to Google and you can go ahead and just click the Gmail here, and then we're going to go ahead and create an account and make sure that you are going to use for personal use. So once you have it here, go ahead and try to enter your details. So I'm going to go ahead and say, for example, right here, Vladimir, and then go ahead and click next. And then for the birthday, go ahead and enter it here. There you go. And then I'm going to click next. Now for the username, I'm going to go ahead and type here. There you go. So, oops, let's remove this one. So it's going to be this one. And then click next. Now the password, of course. So once you've entered your password, go ahead and click the next button. And here, this is something that you'll have to do with your account. So open your camera app and then scan the code. So we're going to go ahead and do this one. All right, there you go. So after scanning, you just have to send some text and then you're going to get back here. So now we can go ahead and add a recovery email. So I'm going to go ahead and skip this one and then click next. And then click I agree. And there goes your Google account. So yeah, that everybody's how you're going to create your own Gmail account.